Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a booking in your website by using wix.com. So first you have to log into wix.com and you have to select the site where existing site where you have to add bookings. To uh, to select the site, you have to click here to go to my sites option. Then you have to edit your existing site if you are doing to scratch, so you can create a site and follow the steps. Now you have to wait, like we came here, you have to go to sites option, to create option, edit, just go to edit. The editor is opening, let us wait. Guys, as we can see, the editor is open now. We can just check over all the steps that is right or wrong. To add the booking menu, you have to click on this button, pages and menus. Then you have to click on this button, like site menu. Then you can click on this add page. You have to click on this button bookings. As you can see, you have to click on this add bookings. You can wait for a minute, it is adding bookings options in your site. It will take a minute. As you can see, our booking options is ready. To go to the booking option, you have to click on this button, book online. You can just go to options, then you have to click on this book online button. In your service page, then you have to go to this button. As you can see, our bookings is coming like this. You can book the schedule. To edit this, you have to click a right button of your mouse, then you have to click on this button or this button. Now new dashboard will open. You can wait here. As we can see, we can add a new service to our site. To add this, like we are creating this online meeting, or you can add a consultation also from their previous button. You can edit this appointment type, like we can select this appointment. You can name, let us talk, and you can give a tagline, you can give a description, you can set the duration, you can set it to like 2 hours, or you can set the custom also. And you're going with plan or per session charging. You can do like this. You can select the plan type. I'm selecting like fixed fee, and I am charging like 100 rupee or 1000 rupee a hour, whatever you want. I'm selecting a per session. You can select with plan. With plan you can create a plan. To create a plan, you can just click here, click here. To create a plan, you can just do package or membership. You can do next, a package. You can name the package. I am naming as sample. You can add your image. I am adding like trees image, You can add any image, or you can select to your default computer also. I am choosing this image. Looking good, it's looking good. You can just add. We can give a session, how many session will take, which like take 5 session. It will be one time payment, and the session will be off. Like we can customize it. We can select as days. We will take per session one session a day. We are giving like 5 sessions. You can just we are maintaining 55 sessions. We will take it 55 days. We can create a block subscription also, and we can limit to one person, or we can let client cancel. We can switch off it, and we can just save. By saving it, it saved. Our business plan is added here to staff 1. We can rename it, and as you can see, our like it is coming like this. To manage more, you can add a cover page also. Let us add a cover page of forest. It's looking good. I am adding to this page. You can select from media also. Next, I am saving this. It is saved. If you want your bookings to be online, you have to buy a premium. To buy a premium, you can just click on upgrade option, and then it will come like this. You have to buy this business and e-commerce plans. In India, it's cost about 150 rupees a month. In your country, it differs. As you can see, it is coming. You can buy this or this plan. Which plan is suitable for you? You just, it is added now. Okay. Like I have not buy the premium, that's why it is saying. Okay, we can add as a pricing plan also. To add, just click on this, add pricing plan. Have to wait. Then go down. Just wait, it is adding pricing plans. We can click here. We can go to like blog page, go like service page. We can go down. As we can see, our service will come when you will pay your premium. I am not buying this premium because I don't want. I am just teaching how to do. Okay, so I'm not buying the premium. You can buy from your side, then it will be updated. Then you have to do like publish. Then it will be published, and you can see the booking options, the main booking, your booking options on your site live. Here, like here, you can not see the booking option, and more you can just click like online, book online. Say like let's talk like this is coming. Okay, but this is not like we can't book it from here. Okay, when the customer will come, when you will buy premium, then customer will can book now from here also. If you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.